The name of this video is our new microwaves still worth scrapping because of the aluminum windings and the transformer and whatnot. So we're going to tear this puppy down and make sure that it is. I've already got the cord off it there, and like all the new ones, these screws are Torx, and it takes a special wrench for it. It's a Torx with a hole in the center because there's a pin in the center here, and they're what do you call it? Oh, they're security screws, so you don't take this apart. And but they do come out, and if you have the right tool, and I got the right tool. So, that being what it is, I think we're good there. Those are regular screws, and we'll get them and get after it. Alright guys, so what I didn't show you, there's a couple screws on the sides here that are just regular Phillips screws, so they come right off. This side had two on for some reason, I don't know why. It didn't come loose. We might have to do some other kind of crazy stuff. And I'm not sure what that is. Alright, be back in a minute. I pulled the door off to try to get the rest of this cover off. And it appears to be loose. Now that that's gone, here's the sides and the back. Let's see, where are we at here? So we got all kinds of goodies here. And the bottom looks like it's loose. No, it isn't. We got a couple here. We'll get them gone. Go. Everything is wonderful. It looks like to me. Got the back and the sides and the top and everything off. So that's just clipped in. We'll get this for insulated wire, all this junk. Oh, that's loose. Okay. We need to do some drill work here. Let's get this one out. Capacitor. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's steel. Okay. Be careful with caps because they can hold a charge. You come off there. Okay, so there's Mr. Transformer. There's Mr. Capacitor. One more wire here. Good Lord, that's heavy. That is a heavy dude there. So we'll just clip these two, the primary and secondary, but I'm almost 100% sure that this is not copper. There. We're out of luck. There it is. Silver as it can get. So that's what you don't want to see in here, but there's many other things here that are good. like I say, this is insulated wire. Not much of it, just a little teeny bit. There that is. This is steel. The door is steel. The back and sides are steel. And don't get excited about that because you don't know where your yard's at. Well, mine's at 3 cents a pound for unprepared steel, 4.5 cents a pound for prepared steel. And prepared means it's separated. And let's see, what do we got here? We got lots more wire. Let's see, get them out of there. Okay, now we do have a little bit of copper here. Let's see here. Okay, I will be back. Okay guys, just this little side note here. This has been laying in the shop for quite a while. And when I pulled the back off, this is what I found. Looky here. That's a baby tarantula. Now I won't squish them. I'll probably pick them up somehow and take them outside or something, but it's not that be interesting. Make sure you look at your stuff when you pick it up. There's all this other stuff that was in here that's now laying over there. You can see over to the side there. It's, if you look right there, that's the fan, that's the transformer, that's aluminum windings. And down here some the cap and some other little wiring stuff. And a little bit of steel, a little bit of wiring, a little bit of motor here. So what we got left is this wave guide. I don't know what's holding it in there for sure, but we'll find out. So let's on the outside. Ah, and there it is. And the drill don't fit. Okay, turn it upside down. That should come out, and that's steel. So you've probably got a couple pounds of steel. There's a little limit switch thing here. Oh, there's my spider. He just fell down upside. Okay. I don't know if you can see him there. He's not happy. So I'm going to get gloves on and come on, buddy. There you go. All right, I know it's a spider and you should stomp on them, but I don't because I kind of like those. They're tarantulas. What do I got here? Oh, shoot, match. So that'll give us the wave guide. And I'm almost ready. On there that'll kill you. So, anyhow, now that Mr. Spider's gone, we'll get these other limit switches out of here. There's that. That's part of the... Alright, so it's tore down in a matter of about 20 minutes. 20 minutes for the total teardown. And we've got a couple pounds of steel. Got the wave guide that we get the magnets out of. Now we got this fan motor here, and we got, okay, well you can't see anything over there. What are you doing over here? Let's see, where am I? I'm not down there, I'm up there. Okay, so this card should pull right out of here if I do that. Oops. Oops. Well, there's a card. Okay, that whole wiring harness is loose. So now we got just the motor in here. So we'll take the screws out. Lost my drill. Okay. Dog. Let's see, maybe we can pry that out of there, huh? Let's try that. Bingo! So as you can see, we're down to almost nothing here. Lots of screws, lots of a little bit of metal. Here's another card. This is for the push buttons on the front. Might be, I doubt it. Seeing as how it comes from China. Okay, let's get rid of some of this wire crap here. So, this is going to be insulated or stripped. I'm not sure which. It's kind of small to strip. And he's going to be loose. And there's some genuine junk. There that is. There this is. Man, these are on there. I think they crimped them on there. No use for a resistor, so it's going. Garbage, that's garbage, that's garbage. Insulated wire. Now these insulated wires, let me double check this one to make sure. And it's brass, so if you look here, anyhow, so we'll keep that as insulated. And let me get some of this out of the way and I'll be back. I got it. I just weighed the insulated wire. And the insulated wire weighed up at 2 ounces. All that wire that was here hooked to all this junk. I'm saying that it ain't worth it to mess with that insulated wire because it's small and it's too small to separate. And anyhow, it's too small a wire. There's another switch. This is junk. And all these guys are junk. We'll get these out of here. Okay, that being the case, now we're kind of down to the waveguide here. Right here. Let's take a look at them. And so what I'm going to do, like I normally do, that's junk also, is I peel this cap off here, or I try to anyhow. If I'm going to get it, I can't. Probably an easier way to do this than this, but I don't know what it is. I'm going to do a little tap on it. And there, you can see might be copper. Let's do some testing here. Look at them. Wow, that is copper. Okay, we're good. So that little bit of copper. There again, you're into the minute amounts of copper, because that and this are it. You're not sure what to do yet, which isn't unusual. Okay, let's get this thing out of the way. That's no, well, that's insulated. This toroid coil. Toroids, I like working with. This one doesn't like me though, it doesn't want to come off. Twice you pick. Okay, there's a toroid coil for copper, and this is scrapola. And it can go in there, as can that. Yeah, I'm getting pretty good here. Okay, that's okay. Let me do a little digging here to see what I need to do. Probably didn't see much of any of that. So, hey guys, so if I include this transformer and all the other steel, I've got about 10 pounds. At 3 cents a pound, that's 30 cents. So this is aluminum, some of it's steel. Don't know which is which here. So there's a little, no, that's all steel. So give it another pound. That's 11. 33 cents. Copper is negligible. That and this and this. There's a little bit here, not enough to count. So I'm saying, even with all the wire that's in that, which was about 5 or 6 ounces of stranded small wire at all, I would stick away from these. Yeah, you can get the magnets out of this, and I've got a whole bunch of them stuck over here on the cabinets, so that nobody wants them, but there you go. So anyhow, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again, give it a great comment. And you guys stay safe out there, stay blessed. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on, man. Be good, be back.